Getting ready in the morning has become one of my favorite things to do in the morning. I'm going to take you along with me while I get ready, and we are going to be also talking about what's next for my YouTube channel and some other different things. Let's get started. I'm going to do my hair. Now my hair is a little bit dirty, so I am going to be doing a really nice hairstyle for dirty hair. I am actually going to be washing my hair later tonight, so I'm just going to put my hair in a nice hairstyle for the rest of the day until I wash it later tonight. So first, I'm just going to brush through the hair. I'm going to start with a middle part, how I like to part my hair. So I'm going to take a triangle section of hair, about that much. I'm first going to spray it with some leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to spray it in this section so I can really slick it back. And I like to kind of move away from my mirror just so I don't spray my mirror. I'm going to spray it with the leave-in conditioner a little bit more. And now I'm going to take an elastic and just... So when I'm going to do my makeup, I'm going to be talking about what is next for my YouTube channel. I was going to talk about it while I was doing my hair, but I just want to really concentrate on doing my hair. Okay, then repeat on the other side. You definitely do learn something new every day. I tried using the leave-in conditioner to slick back the hair, and it worked. So now I'm just going to braid what we put up in the ponytail, in the two ponytails. So I'm going to braid all the way down until I can't braid anymore. So I don't actually curl my hair every day, even though I really want to. I think just having these kind of cute hairstyles for every day instead of just curling my hair every day, just so that my hair can be as healthy as possible. I think I would do it maybe once every 3 days just to give my hair a break from the heat. And these hairstyles that I do in between can be really quick and easy and cute. I think that's what I'm gonna do instead of just curling my hair every day. All right, now that the hair is done, now let's move on to the makeup. So what I thought of doing today is, for today's makeup look, I'm going to be doing a trial run for a makeup look for Christmas. So let's go to my main filming setup and do my makeup. Right, now we are here and ready to start getting ready for the day. All started pretty much when I decided to join the Think Media VRA course. I was really thinking about it, praying about it for a long time. Would this really be the right decision for me and my YouTube channel? Once I actually decided to make the big purchase and invest in this course, there was a really big change in what my channel is going to be all about, and the way that outlook I have now on my YouTube channel is definitely changed. Like, I think I really kind of look at it as not really a hobby anymore, more like a job, I would say, because I want to get to that full-time content creator thing. I think really after I did one of the courses, which was the niche finder. That's where I really had that change, I think, of what my channel is going to be all about. And yeah, so I think it was the niche finder change. I really kind of narrowed it down, and I really had to decide what my channel niche is going to be. Before, I was like, when I made the initial change, like, oh, I want to change my niche, I was like, oh, I'm gonna completely change it, and it will only be about faith-related things. Now, after going through that course, the niche finder course, I'm like, I don't want to give up beauty. As I'm sitting here talking to you, doing my makeup, my identity is not in that. It's in Christ, and it's more of like an art form for me now, rather than just like, oh, I have to look polished, I have to look like everybody else. It's more just of an art. And even though I am definitely not an artist, I still really do love it, the makeup, and it's not really so therapeutic for me. It's just a way, like I said, it's just art, and I love it. And it definitely does help with confidence, but I'm more confident in, my confidence doesn't come from makeup, it definitely comes from Christ. And you know, when I started like changing my niche, I was like, I have no idea what I'm going to say. I think what's been really helping me for like scripting and everything is just when I have that video idea, I just pray about it and ask God to really help me with what I want to say. And I think that has definitely really helped me with my channel, and definitely the course is going to help me with that as well, on like the technical side, like with the camera and everything like that. I haven't done a video like this at all, just talking to the camera and just doing like get ready with me, because like I said, before I had no idea what to say. I was really heavily, where's my brow gel? I was really heavily relying on like ChatGPT but now, I mean, I still do use ChatGPT, but just for guidance, like, and I do not usually copy it like word for word and think of it like turned away from them. Like, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to speak from my heart, and that's definitely helped me with knowing what to say now. So another thing that will be what's for next thing on my YouTube channel is I want to do like daily beauty tips just for shorts, TikTok, and YouTube. I think that would be really, really fun to do. And just set aside one day for like my podcasty type videos that will be like my faith encouragement stuff, and then the other days will be mine. So I think the beauty side is only going to be on shorts, Instagram, and stuff like that. Everything else for the long form will be the faith lifestyles, and the faith encouragement will be the long form on YouTube. I think that's the way I really want to kind of like structure my videos. I think I already talked about what I wanted to talk about already. Oh, and I do have I'll put a link to the video where I decorated for Christmas. It's actually so much fun to decorate for Christmas. I absolutely love it. It's fun. Like, I love this chalkboard banner, and then you can't really see it. I'll zoom in kind of right here. There's like a little Christmas village right here that I love. At this point of the makeup look, I have no idea what I want to do for my eyes. I just have a nice kind of mid-tone in the crease right now. I'm using the Makeup by Mario Nature Palette, or Ethereal Eyes Nature Palette. And I don't know where I want to go from here. Definitely something very Christmassy, but I don't know. I think I'm going to go in with this shade next. And for the beauty tips video or shorts for Instagram and TikTok, and of course shorts, I would love to know any of your questions you might have for any beauty tips, really anything that I would love to do a little short on. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade next. I'm gonna spray it. I'm just thinking of things to talk about while I get ready. I love this candle, it's so cute. We got it at Target, and whenever you light it, the little lights turn on in the candle. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, I'm just going to wet a brush and apply that shimmer shade from the palette. And hopefully this will be what I am looking for. Yes, this will totally match the dress I'm wearing. I will put a picture of it right here on the dress I'm wearing for Christmas. It'll be perfect. I'm really tempted to add the green in this eyeshadow palette because the green is so pretty, but I think I will not. Then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take another shade from the Moonlight palette and apply that in the inner corner. Yeah, because I'm going to use the the Ethereal Eyes Moonlight palette, and I'm going to use EM2. It has that hint of like blue in it, or it's almost like a frosty color. I think that is so pretty. Yeah, like I said, I don't think I can give up the beauty stuff for my YouTube channel. I just feel like I should really still do it, but only as short form content. All right, I pretty much, like I said, ran out of things to talk about, so I'm going to completely do my makeup and I'll be right back. I remembered one thing that I did want to talk about. This is going to be hard with applying my lip liner, but so I wanted to kind of make a website, and then also I want to kind of create a makeup guide to help the makeup beginner kind of get an idea of how to apply makeup, and I'm going to be doing a YouTube video that will go along with this guide as well. So if you comment down below if you would like me to do that, or if you would be interested in that guide, because that's another thing that has been really on my mind, to make this guide. From the women that I have been talking to, they don't really know how to use makeup, so that kind of really inspired me to want to create this guide. I am absolutely loving how this makeup look turned out. I mean, I think this is going to be perfect for Christmas. So that will hopefully be coming very, very soon-ish, maybe. I think I'm going to start working on it in January, so it would probably be in February, my website, when I would be live. And also the guide with the YouTube video that goes along with it. And guys, you know, I have never tried one of the Fenty Beauty lip glosses, and I recently got it, and I absolutely love it. This is the Fenty Lip Luminizer in the shade Fussy. I absolutely love the shade and this formula. It is amazing. I'm so happy I got it. Thank you for being with me while I talk about how my YouTube channel is changing. Comment down below, what is your favorite thing to do while you get ready for the day? Comment down below your suggestions for a faith-based YouTube video. I would love to know your thoughts on what you would like to see from my channel for a faith-based YouTube video. See you then.